Summer, summer, summertime. Won't you sit back?
Oh, you're that guy who just leaves their bike in the middle of the park, yeah?
What's wrong with that? It's not in the middle, it's fucking right on the edge.
Snaked people.
Shut up, bro.
You just snaked people.
Snaked who, bruv? What's a couple of scooter kids?
You just snaked people. Look at the snake coming.
Ringwood skate park. Out here with Leon.
The other lads are coming in a minute.
Yeah, I think it's fucking going down today. We're going to 3 different parks again. Probably won't film Prevail because we've already filmed there loads, and by the time I get there I probably just want to ride.
There. Here they are.
Yes, lad.
Yeah.
How are we?
Good.
Nice to see ya. What's happening?
Tired, mate.
Alright, we're going straight in with a line
While having a fag.
while having a fag.
Oh god, what am I
Are
doing?
you this good? You've got to choose what you're doing.
Well, do an early morning flare, haven't
Early morning flare.
Do it there, on that quarter. Do it here, right here. Woo! With a ciggy. Yeah.
You find it funny how like...
Shit.
No. Keep
And
going
again.
flat. That was better. That was better. Yeah, it could be better.
Alright, we need a clip now from you, Leon.
Don't need a break. I've accidentally done it without a break.
What the fuck was that?
I know, I don't know.
Come on, mate. Four. The gang's here. Here he is.
Oh, right.
Mr. Klong's.
Back.
How are we?
What a hug, mate. It's out.
Zeno's back. Back in the cut.
Sound very good, yeah.
You good? A mushroom coming out of the floor. Come on. Was that it?
No, that's a ramp.
Come on, Joey. Don't let me stand around forever. Come on. Now. Oh, that was close. Come on, you got it. Yeah. Let's go. Sick boy.
We have Manzi
Oh,
getting
my
ready
arse out.
to ride. Word on the street, he's gonna whiplash over. You gonna whiplash over there?
Better one for Johnny. So up the big side of the quarter, ice over. So like over ice.
Oh, that'd be
That's some fucking Cramner. That's
Isn't it?
Scotty Cramner shit.
Yeah, I know.
Remember at his
Yeah,
park?
oh, Scott Hamlin's done it.
Has he? Look, lads. I'm
Oh.
a glove rider now.
Wait,
Bruv,
wait.
it's actually the one.
Shout Johnny for the bootings. He's on hire.
I got that. I got the dots.
He's got a
in
dodge, yeah?
duffel.
Trust me.
Come on.
Tell him. What you got for us then, big man?
I want to do like 2 flat into something over the spine.
Little 2, bar over the spine, wall ride, free the spine. Yeah?
Alright.
Where? Too much air.
Gone over again like I did last time. Yeah.
Cool.
We've got Simon in the building.
How's he doing?
You good, yeah?
Yeah, man, all good.
Ready for the session today?
Always.
Come on, bro.
Same as
Good to see you
usual.
down. Go on, you got. Oh. Hey, bro. John, go get your car, bro, and park it here.
Why?
Because look, they're playing cricket and you'll be allowed to park on it for a bit. You got that.
Back to the action. Joey, you missed the helicopter land, mate. How'd you feel?
Seen it.
Kieran's just tried a turn down. That was absolute turd. Oi, Kieran, what was that? A turd down?
Turn fucking shit.
Turd down. This is how you do it. Oh shit, I'm not happy with that. Straighten your legs. I'm disappointed with you. Oh shit.
We do need a session in the box in a minute.
Turns you into
I'll get
fucking
you some.
Logan Martin. Get 100 likes on this video, Johnny will buy Kieran a set of gloves.
100 likes,
Boom.
fucking hell.
Yeah,
I'll
oh, you can't put that in.
I know I won't.
20 likes on the video.
20 likes on the video, I'll get Kier some gloves. Look at him.
Get some gloves.
Kieran's gonna make 20 accounts and like it 20 times. Bruv, do this hang 5, you bumper club.
Alright, I need to be a bit quicker. All off.
Oh! Where's it at? Oh no, you snapped the nipple, not the spoke. That's fine, don't even break that spoke, just put a new nipple in it. Look, yeah, Klong's a master mechanic, mate. Boom, fresh spokes, G. Easy as that. It's only the nipple, G. Just snap the nipple. Look, guys, see that? The nipple.
Underneath that one. Goes underneath.
Boss man fixing Johnny's bike.
Any exercise I get.
Yeah, unks.
I'm too young to be a dad.
No, you're not. My mum's the same age as you.
22.
I don't know any 22-year-olds with as bad as back as yours.
I had a bad back at 22.
Time for that, Jamie.
Joe blows, man.
Joe blows.
Yeah.
Is it nice blows?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Blows sucks.
What?
Yeah.
Does everything.
Both sizes of knobs as
Yeah.
well. Come on.
Children out.
You're in the children's size, aren't you?
I'm still growing.
Yeah, I'm hoping to have a growth spurt.
Yeah.
Well, you're only 22, so you've got
Exactly.
3 more years.
The albino! Here he is, the main man. You up, my boy?
Man, the myth, the legend. Get some remaining camera there.
Yeah.
I haven't shaved, don't zoom in too much.
Nah, zoomed out.
Oh,
Come on, John, let's see this big old fucking Troy Whipper. Just send it, bro. I don't know. I don't care what you want.
That is so horrible to hang up on.
Yeah, hop in and do it. You need to hop in and hit it or go double catch and land perfect. Oh, that was actually quite exhausting. Ready for this? Getting good angles to the flat bar. Oh, we knew it. Who's the scatty guy? We'll just chill it and do a normal shot quick. Oh mate, that was gorgeous 360. Mini Dolan in there on heat. Big hookups.
what's up?
Not much mate, I just can't be asked to film Leon chatting shit today.
Fair enough.
What are you two chatting shit about?
It's confidential, sorry
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
You know where I really want to ride?
Just chuck two on?
Blandford!
Oh yeah, I'm gassed for Blandford. What time are we leaving to Blandford?
I don't know, an hour or so.
Fucking always in me, mate.
Oh, what the fuck? How the fuck did you stand that?
Oh, here we go, boys.
Down down with that in the background.
I will.
Flare that in the background.
what? Are you ready to go to Blandford for 8 months? So I'm actually,
put
I'd
some
actually
pegs on.
go to Blandford
What did
now.
you say I
innit?
need to do?
Put pegs on.
Put
pegs
pegs on.
on.
Get them on, bro. Let's
Get
do
'em
it.
on.
Blandford, yeah, me and you are doing some pec wizardry. And so.
Yeah,
I want
Let's
to see
go.
fucking Smith and
Alright, can you guys read this? Yeah, look. Backflip, or you love some hoe. Remaining, you better be backflipping, or you love that thing.
Come on, let's go, you got it.
Oh, that'll look insane. Romanian, show 'em how it's done. Absolute glory of the man. Oh my word. It was glorious.
Yeah. Go on, boy. Yeah. That's it.
Hello. Go up with it. Don't pull out.
Oh, hello, mate. What do you want?
Some footage.
Some footage.
Come on. I hope. Are we gonna get Clong to try the no-hander challenge? Yeah, on the quarter.
I'm good at that.
Oh, yeah.
Why not? Are you being a bitch?
Yeah,
Just
do it.
Back in the race.
What stunt you doing? Call it out. I'll follow you. Oh, come on.
I nearly fucking died yesterday.
Yo. Oh. Do you think you should have done the no-hander instead?
I doing no hander, bro.
Spot on the go. I'm trying to be helpful.
This is actually well nice.
Yes.
Oh, you fucking missed it.
Yo.
I saw the angle and got gas. Romanian.
Yeah, well, go on.
On a real one, how nice was the 3-no hand on that?
I need to show the camera. Vote in the comments, was that 3-no-hander just beautiful? Do you need to see more Floria cam? Because I think the world needs a bit more Floria cam up in here. Go on, Johnny. Oh no. I was not ideal. Why are you being so angry today?
I know, I'm a
Your
bit
emotions,
angry,
your
aren't I?
emotions are going like this, like so
It's because
angry.
my
so,
diet's so dead.
Is it?
I've been eating so shit recently.
Do you want to eat these nuts?
Yeah, part of my 5 a day.
Come on, you're scraping the barrel for waffle because we've been told we need more talk in the vlogs.
Maybe.
What are you thinking? Whereabouts? Core blimey. Yo. Come on. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Are you fucking joking? The one time I didn't do any of the cool camera work.
Where you going then?
Need to fucking turn it off, otherwise we get copyrighted. Where are we going today then?
We're on the way to Blandford. We just had a session at Ringwood.
Yeah,
That was a good little ride.
Yeah, that was a good little session.
Yeah.
How long did we stay there? Like 2 hours?
2 hours with the boys, yeah.
Yeah, now we're going to pick up Keon.
Big Key.
You guys haven't seen him on the vlog yet.
He's a
sick.
killer.
Yeah, he's sick. He's just got a like fresh bike now as well.
Yeah. No, I think he's done his frame up as well.
Oh, is
Got
he?
it powder coated, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be looking fresh today.
Yeah.
Jeez, what you saying, bro? Good.
Big session,
Yeah, big session, bro.
Yeah, boys. Pump it. Miniature pump, innit?
Sounds a job, though.
Oh shit. I ain't even got a fucking tube.
Anyone got a punch and bucket?
Anyone got a tube? Yeah. Buy it off ya. Sweet.
Yes, yes, look at that. What lifesaver.
This is a big bit of land, isn't it? Come on in, Georgie boy, what you got?
Nothing.
A little line.
Nothing impressive.
Mate, I know you got something for me. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Oh! Oh! Let's go. That was sick. Let's get the alley-oop on the go. Go on. That's it. Oh yeah. Woo! That's something I haven't done in ages. Why? You always say this.
And then he does it first go.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you got to do it again to not be scared of it. Go on. You got it, son. Oh! Ah, send it. Yes, boy. Go on, get over coping.
Go on, Grandad!
Come on, I want to see it, Joey. Yeah. Woo! Go on. Go on, Joey. Let's go. Yes, lad.
Boom, boom,
That's
boom.
sick. Yes! That's 30, mate. What's going on over here then?
This bit over here is for the park and street ride.
What's going on over here then?
I'm getting some.
Oh! Oh! Let's go! That was fucking sick, bro. First time on the vlog as well. First clip. Oh! Fuck's sake! That would have been a sick clip.
That's it. I'll get it.
Get it. Oh, where was it? Stop being a faggot and sling it. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Sorry, man.
Oh shit. Peg. Oh, Axel. Shit.
I might have a screwdriver in there, you know.
Nah, I need to drill that out and then fucking, yeah. I got one. Hang on,
You got the shit, yeah?
Oh, he's still filming, look. I'll just bring him up on the clip right now.
Yeah, go on. Move. Ow! Let's go!
Boy, straight in again. Well done.
Oh! It looked like you were doing like a 180 and then just slung it round. Oh my god! No way!
Let's go, bro.
You're sweaty, bro.
I was about doing nosy free and you were just like, nah, I'll do that.
Let's see you do it to perfection there.
What? Nose free?
Yeah, you got him gang.
Go on, Georgie B. Oh! Ooh.
Yes, mate.
Oh! Let's go. Done him right up.
Oh, that's it. I'm going for a break.
Oh!
You naughty boy!
Oh! Oh! Oh no! Gloves. Let's have a look.
Raw, mate, raw.
Ugh. Oh! Go again.
We'll try again.
Ready to go, yeah?
Pattern.
Yeah?
Go free top the box.
Something like that. Oh, truck
No, I
here.
want to through it. Through it. Yeah, but stick on the camera as well. Yes, Joe.
Oh, shit. I can't do it. I'm not good at it.
What are we playing over here then? Tekken. Why did you not invite me?
I know, I've seen these men do it. I'm like, brother.
Oh! Oh. Yeah, but you boys fucked it up.
Oh yeah.
Oh. I missed it. I missed it. How was you even hopping in on that?
Joey, no, did you miss it?
I missed the other one, the 270.
I've never even tried.
Oh no, you know what I mean? We don't want your check over here.
What
take have I got?
What ain't you got?
I feel that whiplash.
Your head must be hot. I could have done it for that.
No way!
Go home after landed.
Yeah, you got it. Let's go.
I can go home!
Woo!
No, it didn't. You hurt him. Oh no.
The story of the pineapple that could.
I know, that could.
Yeah, the pineapple that could.
That could.
Nah, the pineapple that could have. I bitched it.
Yeah.
How are you gonna like do it but not commit? Like, come on now.
No, bro, tell him.
How are you gonna like do it but not commit?
Oh! Go up foot jam and then kick it.
I've still never done it.
I was about to say that. He's like, all you got to do is leave it. You ain't even done the blood clot trick.
Yeah, that works too, you know. With the kick. So you're still trying with it.
Yeah. Come up straight. See? Go on, oi! Go on, bro.
Dig deep, bro.
Dig deep, bro.
Just a little bit. Put all your weight forward when you kick it. Nah, you come up straight up.
This nigga might as well film everyone.
No.
This is it, this is it. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
This is for the locals.
Let's go. Yes, Ryan. Yo, that was fun. Yo. Fucking hell.
Oh.
That's a wrap. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Share as well. Don't forget to share.
Cheers lads, we're done.